Okay, you guys, we're back. For some reason, when I try to press play at my playhead, it won't let me. But what I've realized, if I go to
Oh,
here,
Ellen.
it'll let me. So I'm not going to worry about that right now. Um, what you what I want to bring up for these next parts for you is remember when you press command and then you move your playhead, you can hear the words, and that's important because what we're going to do is we're going to start revealing all of our text, okay? Luckily, when we put text in there, it names these layers for you. So let's go through and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So I'm going to press command.
Oh,
So that's where O is. So I'm just going to leave my O there, and then I'm going to move Ellen. And let's see if I got that right.
Ellen.
Okay, so there's Ellen. And then this is my koʻu.
ʻokina.
So see how I just got to kind of fix it. And then I'm going to click here, and that's going to come back over here. So I still can't see anything, but I want you to just move your layers so that they're in alignment with your text.